Welcome to the tutorial on how to get your props talking in Vyond. This living room feels very cozy. Today, we're going to add a touch of magic by bringing some of our props to life using Vyond Studio. Let's dive in and make this space even more vibrant and engaging. Here are the steps to make a non-living element talk. Start with a skeleton character. Search for skeleton in the character panel. Hover over the skeleton panel. Click the three dots for more options. And select Copy and Edit Character. Next, you will be redirected to the Character Creation window, where you can customize the skeleton to your liking. In this window, you can change the skeleton's mouth and edit its facial features to remove its face and give it personality. Save your character and return to your video. Add the character to your video. Right-click on it and select Crop. Adjust the crop box to remove the skeleton's body. Drag the face over to your prop and resize it accordingly. Right-click on the cropped face, select Edit Crop, and use the Action or Expression toolbox to give it personality. Assign dialogue. Open the dialogue toolbox in the right panel to assign an audio track to your prop. That's it. With these simple steps, you can transform any prop into a lively, talking character, adding a unique touch to your Vyond Studio projects. While this was an example of living room, you can bring any background to life. Whether it's an office setting or any other scene that is used in e-learning, and make any props from those scenes talk. Thank you for watching. See you next time.